Hello. Today we have a story about Anna. Watch and listen. This is Anna. Her name is Anna. Her shirt is green. Anna has a bag. Her bag is yellow. Anna goes to school. She has her bag. Anna is in the classroom. Her bag is on the chair. This is Sophia. Sophia is Anna's friend. Anna and Sophia are in the cafeteria. They drink coffee. Anna isn't here. Her bag is on the chair. Anna comes back to the classroom. Oh no, where is the bag? Anna sees a red bag. It isn't her bag. Anna sees a blue bag. It isn't her bag. Anna sees a black bag. It isn't her bag. Her bag is yellow. Anna is sad. Where is her bag? Bag. The teacher has a yellow bag. It's Anna's bag. Anna is happy. The end. Now I'll ask you questions. You can answer yes or no, or you can just listen. This is Anna. Is her name Sophia? No, it isn't. Her name is Anna. Is her name Anna? Yes, it is. Her name is Anna. Anna's shirt is green. Is her shirt red? No, it isn't. Her shirt is green. Is her shirt green? Yes, it is. Her shirt is green. Anna has a yellow bag. Is her bag pink? No, it isn't. Her bag is yellow. Is her bag purple? No, it isn't. Her bag is yellow. Is her bag yellow? Yes, it is. Her bag is yellow. Anna goes to school. Does Anna go home? No, she doesn't. She goes to school. Does Anna go to school? Yes, she does. She goes to school. Does she have her bag? Yes, she does. She has her bag. The bag is on the chair. Is the bag on the desk? No, it isn't. It isn't on the desk. Is the bag on the chair? Yes, it is. It's on the chair. This is Sophia. She's Anna's friend. Is her name Shamey? No, it isn't. Her name is Sophia. Is her name Sophia? Yes, it is. Her name is Sophia. Anna and Sophia drink coffee. Do they drink Coca-Cola? No, they don't. They drink coffee.
Do they drink coffee?
Yes, they do. They drink coffee. Does Anna have her bag? No, she doesn't. The bag is in the classroom. Anna comes back. Oh no, the bag isn't here. Is Anna happy? No, she isn't. Anna isn't happy. Is Anna worried? Yes, she is. Anna is worried. Anna sees a red bag. Is the bag red? Yes, it is. It's a red bag. Anna sees a blue bag. Is the bag blue? Yes, it is. It's a blue bag. Is it Anna's bag? No, it isn't. Anna's bag is yellow. Anna sees a black bag.
Is it hers?
No, it isn't. Anna's bag is yellow. Anna is sad. Is Anna happy? No, she isn't. Anna isn't happy. Is Anna sad? Yes, she is. Anna is sad. Look, the teacher has a yellow bag. Is the bag brown? No, it isn't. The bag is yellow. Is the bag gray? No, it isn't. The bag is yellow. Is the bag yellow? Yes, it is. The bag is yellow. It's Anna's bag! Thank you, teacher. Is it Anna's bag? Yes, it is. It's Anna's bag. Is Anna happy? Yes, she is. Anna is happy. Anna has her yellow bag. Great job. Goodbye.